sobrang dami kasing hacking, di ba, sa mga government agencies, sa Congress, sa website ni President Marcos. Since nag-start tayo mag-usap about these things and since lumaganap no, tong mga hacking incidents, meron na bang ahensya na nakinig sa advice nyo at nag-beef up ng kanilang mga sistema? And if so, madami na po bang nag-follow sa mas bagong systems and beefed up security, etc.?
Oh. Doon sa unang part niya, nakatuwa at nakakalungkot at the same time na ang mga talagang nag-comply at eager mag-comply at mag-beef up ng system nila, yung mga previously attacked systems. Unang-una na ho dyan, yung PhilHealth, who is working constantly with the ICT to talaga for their procurement plans of their IT systems. Especially they are tasked with the safeguarding and the custodian of very sensitive data of their members. So, ang House of Representatives din ho, constantly nakakausap din ho natin sila. Yung iba naman ho, and I would understand this kasi being part of government and being part of the procurement processes of government, naiintindihan ko, medyo matagal ho talaga, even for IT systems, ang procurement processes ho natin, that we are lobbying for a change na kahit man ho sa mga IT systems to prevent more cyber attacks from happening.
How expensive is it to safeguard your system? Mahal po ba? Bukod sa matagal, mahal din po ba?
Pero afford yun ng gobyerno, di ba, Asek? Di ba dapat trabaho nila na gawin yun at paggastusan yun?
Una ho, mahal ho talaga. Especially, you have to, again, to contextualize, technology is so ever-changing that what you procure now is obsolete as early as 6 months from now. So what procurement you have to do must be scrutinized and talagang dapat upgradable, forward-looking, and must withstand at least siguro mga at least 3 years bago yun nga ho mahal ho talaga siya if it's state-of-the-art defenses we're talking about. With the budget and the budgetary constraints of most of our agencies in government, we have to contend with na talagang we have to rely on the skills of our IT experts in government, which is also in peril because of, yun nga, madalas so hinahack pa kasi one of the best talaga around the world is the Filipino IT professionals.